Hey, darling. Things are getting a little crazy outside, but look at you, still sleeping away. If I'm being honest, I'm a little jealous. But that's okay. You just keep dreaming. I don't mind looking after you. I don't mind waiting with you. Your hair has gotten so long. I remember you wanted to cut it for the summer, because you know how I like it when it's short. Under the condition that I grow mine out. I haven't cut it yet, just like I promised. I'm even starting to think I might look good with this style. So you might actually be onto something. I've been trying to take care of those pigeons of yours. They really missed you. You know, after the after the accident. But I think they were finally warming up to me, actually. They aren't too bad for rats with wings. I just haven't seen them in a while. They all just flew off one day. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I guess Hollywood got it right when it comes to animals being the first to leave when things start to go wrong. Some of their nests in the coop had eggs, so I brought them into the house, trying to save them. You would have done a way better job than me. Oh, I brought you something. Your parents asked me to bring this to you. They wanted to come. They tried. They really tried, sweetheart. But traffic going in and out of the city, it's not looking good. I'm so sorry. But they wanted me to tell you that they love you and to bring you your old music box. Hey, this is from your favorite movie. You only ever made me watch it 1,000 times. Do you remember? Oh shit. Holy shit. It's fine. Everything is just fine. I think um oh no, sweetheart, I'm so sorry about your music box. It must have fallen over when the explosion. Shit. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm just so fucking scared. Things just went downhill so fast and fuck. The last thing you ever heard from me was that I never wanted to see you again. Sweetheart, I'm so sorry. Me and my fucking drunk mouth. I saw your text the night of the crash and God, if I had just responded then maybe. Who am I kidding? The world would still be ending. The only thing that would be different is this time we both would be scared shitless. Oh crap. I shouldn't be cursing. I know how much you hate it when I do that. I love you. I know you can hear me. And if I could say it forever, I would. I love you. I love you. I love you. It's alright, babe. I'm gonna be laying right next to you. I'm not going anywhere, okay? Okay. You keep dreaming. I don't mind. I'm gonna be dreaming with you soon. I love you. I love you.